Here is Star and Joker's available green collar boy. His name is Arcade on our website. He is available. He's 10 weeks old. Super sweet, playful boy. All of Star's kittens are. He's a really big boy, so he should grow to be good size. And his eyes look like they're already turning a green color. He's got beautiful rosettes. Stand up, let's see. Let's see him. There's his side. Very good looking, handsome boy. And there's his other side. He has glitter in his coat, and you can see it outside in the sun and certain lighting. You're so cute. You're so cute. And I boop, 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 boop. Very calm, sweet-natured, super, super soft. He's very golden. He has a lot of gold tones in his coat.